Well, hello, my very good friends. I'm meteorologist Jeff Matthews. Stormy weather, but you expected it because I told you 2 weeks ago, beware the odds of February 23rd through the 25th. If you like your forecast and you'd like it live, you can interact with me on live stream at 5:55. Ditto on Periscope. It's even more interactive. We've got quite the group there, and it grows every single day. But I'm glad you're following me on CNY Weathertainment as well. And you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr, all at CNY Jeff Matthews. The temperature trend. We average now about 35 for the high for this time of year. And by the way, daylight is growing at almost its fastest pace that it will through springtime. So we're picking up the most daylight per day the next month and a half that we will pick up. Okay, back to the temps. Windy conditions, blustery conditions through Thursday night, even into Friday. Milder winds on Thursday, but much colder Thursday evening. Friday cold, recovering on Saturday. A warmer wind on Sunday. Monday morning high, tumbling in the afternoon to a colder Tuesday. So a bit of a meandering. So, here's the three weather headlines for you. Wind and showery rains through Thursday. There won't be continuous rain, but there will be a downpour, and then 20 or 30 or 40 minutes of quiet, and then another downpour. When we get after 5 or 6 o'clock, the winds will turn cold and flash it over to wet snow. So it'll be a colder wind Thursday night through Friday, and Friday will be blustery and cold, as I showed you on the temp trend to boot. Here's the big old storm. That's your haymaker right there. Moved up from Arkansas, right along the path I told you. Remember the red arrow, taking it well to our west. And so as it does, the showery rains that wrap around it, the cold air waiting on the doorstep to wrap in behind this system will mean a eventual changeover to snow and then just wind and cold behind it. But you can certainly see as we go to the water vapor imagery, this giant comma cloud shape and how the moisture is wrapping around that storm, that cyclone center, and the showery rains keep buffeting central New York until the storm itself gets parallel onto our north, and when that happens, the colder wind on the other side of it wrap in residual moisture flashing over to wet snow. So there's the radar for the nation. You can see it's pretty much the only thing in town covering most of the eastern seaboard, the rain-snow line having crept up into southern Canada now, as expected. So again, showery rains for your Thursday, wind down for a time late Thursday afternoon as the winds switch to a colder wind and cause everything left over to swing through as snow showers Thursday night with a very small accumulation into Friday. Here's a look at my forecast high and low as compared to, well, this is Wednesday up through 7 o'clock in the evening, but don't forget, the high temperature for Wednesday occurred at midnight, so I'll have to update you on that one. But we're at 11 hours of daylight and growing. Forecast details are next.
Welcome to Intermission. Intermission.
So your forecast for Thursday, the showers, periods of rain, that kind of thing, with wind and a high about 46 or 48. It'll go over to snow Thursday evening, after dark, around or after supper. Colder wind with a Friday morning low of 18, only climbing up Friday afternoon to 24, with sunnier and cloudier periods, so mixed sun and clouds, blustery, colder conditions, a high only in the mid-20s at best. And then Saturday, some dim sun. High clouds, mid-level clouds will be drifting through, maybe a few flurries later in the day or in the evening. A warmer wind overnight into Sunday. A mild day, high in the mid to upper 40s. And then some rain moving in late Sunday night into Monday. That's your forecast. Make it a great day.